ri ga ri sa ni dha 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 pa pa da sa ni. Let's play this tune. ri ga ri sa ni dha 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 pa pa da sa ni. ri ga ri sa ni dha 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 pa pa da sa dha. Hi everyone, my name is Aditya Teja. You're watching Aditya Flutes. If you want to learn the full version of this KGF movie and many more songs like this, you're most welcome to learn with us. And these are our course details. For more information, you can reach us on this number. And all the best for your flute learning. If ever you are interested to learn flute so sincerely and passionately, we emphasize on basics, on foundation of Hindustani classical music, and different practicing on different movie songs and experimentation on different styles of music. So you're most welcome to learn with us.